Hey, Paul. I haven't seen you for a few days. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm good too, but you look tired.
Yeah, I've been very busy this week.
Really? What happened?
A lot of things.
Well, stay with us because today we're going to have a real English conversation between two friends.
And you can practice with us.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today, we are going to talk like two friends.
No difficult English, no long sentences.
Just simple English that you can use in real life.
Listen carefully.
And if you hear a useful sentence, pause the video and say it with us.
Ready?
Let's start. Hey, Paul. Nice to see you.
Hey, Emily. Nice to see you too.
How have you been?
I've been good, just a little busy.
Busy with work?
Yes, I had a lot of work this week.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I worked late almost every day.
That sounds tiring.
It was.
Did you get enough sleep?
Not really.
You need some rest.
I know. That's why I'm happy it's Friday.
Me too.
The first useful sentence is, how have you been? It means, how are you? But it is often used when you haven't seen someone for some time.
And you can answer, I've been good, or I've been busy. So, how is your work?
It's okay. Some days are easy, but some days are very busy.
What do you do when you're very busy?
I make a list of my work.
That's a good idea.
Yes, I write down everything I need to do.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I like my team.
That's important.
What about you? How is your work?
My work is good, but I have a big project this month.
Are you working on it now?
Yes, I'm working on it every day.
Good luck.
Thank you. Here are 3 useful questions. How is your work? Do you like your job? What are you working on?
These are simple questions you can use when talking with a friend or coworker.
Okay, enough about work.
Yes, let's talk about something more fun.
What do you do in your free time?
I like watching movies.
Really? What kind of movies do you like?
I like comedy movies.
Me too.
What about you?
I like playing football.
Do you play every week?
Usually, yes. I play with my friends on Saturday.
That sounds fun.
It is. What else do you like to do?
I like reading books and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Nice.
Now it's your turn. What do you like to do in your free time?
You can say, I like watching movies. I like playing football. I like reading books.
Or make your own sentence. So, Paul, what are you doing this weekend?
I'm not sure yet.
Really?
Maybe I'll stay home on Saturday.
Why?
Because I need some rest.
That's a good plan.
What about you?
I'm going to visit my sister.
Where does she live?
She lives near my house.
Are you going alone?
No, my husband is coming with me.
Nice. Are you going to stay there all day?
No, we're going to have lunch together and then we're going home.
Sounds like a nice weekend.
Yes, I'm looking forward to it.
Listen to this phrase. What are you doing this weekend? It's a very common question.
You can answer, I'm going to visit my family. I'm going to stay home. I'm going to meet my friends. I'm going to watch a movie.
Actually, Emily, I have a small problem.
What happened?
I want to buy a new phone, but I don't know which one to buy.
What's wrong with your phone?
The battery is not good.
How old is it?
It's about 4 years old.
Oh, that's pretty old.
I know.
What kind of phone do you want?
I want a phone with a good camera and a big battery.
What's your budget?
Around $500.
That's enough for a good phone.
Can you help me choose one?
Of course.
Thanks. I knew I could ask you.
No problem. When your friend has a problem, you can ask, what happened? What's wrong? Can I help you? Do you need help?
And when someone helps you, you can say, thanks, I really appreciate it. For beginner English, simply saying, thank you for helping me is also perfect.
Paul, do you have any big plans for this year?
Yes, I want to improve my English.
That's great.
I also want to travel to another country.
Where do you want to go?
Maybe Japan.
Why Japan?
I love the culture, the food, and the cities.
That sounds exciting.
What about you?
I want to learn how to cook better.
Really?
Yes, I can cook simple food, but I want to learn more.
Maybe you can cook for me one day.
Maybe.
I'll bring dessert.
Deal.
Oh, I just remembered something.
What?
We plan to go for coffee today.
Oh, yes, I forgot.
Are you still free?
Yes, I am.
Great, let's go.
Wait, I need my bag.
Take your time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Where should we go?
There is a new coffee shop near here.
I've heard about it.
Let's try it.
Sounds good. Now, let's practice some questions from today's conversation.
Try to answer before we give you an example.
Question 1. How have you been?
You can say, I've been good.
Question 2. What do you do in your free time?
For example, I like watching movies.
Question 3. What are you doing this weekend?
You can say, I'm going to visit my family.
And one more. What do you want to do this year?
Maybe you want to travel.
Maybe you want to learn English, or maybe you have another goal.
Today, you listened to a simple conversation between two friends.
You heard English about work, hobbies, weekend plans, problems, and future goals.
Remember, real English doesn't have to be difficult.
Start with short sentences, ask simple questions, and practice speaking every day.
Now tell us in the comments, what do you like to do with your friends?
Write one simple sentence in English.
For example, I like to watch movies with my friends.
Great job today,
Keep practicing.
and keep speaking English.